Today, I'm going to show you how to remove old email suggestions on Gmail so the wrong contacts stop appearing when you start typing an address. This is really useful if you've got outdated email suggestions, misspelled contacts, or old addresses you no longer want Gmail to recommend. The good news is, you can clean these up pretty quickly using Google Contacts. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to contacts.google.com. This is Google Contacts, and it's where Gmail stores a lot of the email suggestions you see while composing messages. Once the page loads, sign in with the Gmail account that you use for sending emails. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one Google account, because the contacts you remove will be tied to that specific inbox. After signing in, look at the left sidebar. You'll see different sections, and the one you want here is called Other Contacts. Click Other Contacts to open the list of automatically saved email suggestions and contacts that Gmail has collected over time. Now scroll through the list or use the search bar if you already know the name or email address you want to remove. Find the unwanted email suggestion or contact that keeps showing up in Gmail. This is usually the old address that appears when you start typing a name in the to, CC, or BCC field. Once you find it, move your cursor to the right side of that contact entry and click the three dots menu, also shown as the More Options icon. A small menu will appear. From that menu, click Delete. Google will then ask you to confirm that you want to delete this contact. Go ahead and confirm the deletion. This step is important because it permanently removes that saved suggestion from your Google Contacts list, which helps stop it from showing up in Gmail Autocomplete. After the deletion is complete, the old email suggestion should no longer appear the next time you compose a message. If you still see it immediately, refresh Gmail or wait a little while for the change to sync across your account. You can repeat the same process for any other outdated contacts or email suggestions you want to clean up. And that's it. You've now removed old email suggestions on Gmail and made your contact list much cleaner and easier to use. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial.